Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix unable to join Wi-Fi network is temporarily unavailable. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to join or try to join your Wi-Fi network, so you might see an error that you're unable to join that Wi-Fi network. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you have to simply go to your settings. Then go to general, go to software update, and just try to update your software. After updating software, just simply go back and here go to Wi-Fi section, and you just have to make sure that you have enabled signal strength for the selected Wi-Fi. Or if you haven't, so just try to make sure there is signal strength. So after doing this, you have to simply go back and just try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do this, just quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo, and once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue must have been fixed, or if it's still not fixed your issues, you can go to your settings, then go to general, and here just go to your screen time section, just go to content and privacy restrictions, and just try to disable all the restrictions from here. After disabling restrictions, just go back, and here you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so go to your general section, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network or network settings, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. Or after resetting your network setting, if you still face the same issue, so you have to try to connect with a different Wi-Fi network, or you can also try to contact with Apple support team. Now to do this, just simply go back, open your Apple support app. You can easily install this app from your app store, or you can use Apple support web. And here, just select iPhone from here, and just select this more option, then select Wi-Fi, and here just wait for the loading. Then tap on Get More Help, then tap on Call Us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with the Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.